How to verify your mobile number on Snapchat? Want to strengthen your Snapchat security and access the recovery options? Here's a step-by-step guide on how to verify your phone number on Snapchat. First, open Snapchat. Once you are logged in, tap on your Bitmoji in the top left corner. Then tap the gear icon to open the settings at the top right corner. And now under my account, you can see mobile number. You can see it's in red color. It means it's not verified. So in order to verify it, tap on mobile number and enter your mobile number. Okay, choose your country. If you don't want others to find you using your mobile number, just toggle this off and just tap on verify. Now you'll be sent a verification code in your mobile number. Enter the verification code. Once you enter the verification code, tap on continue. Now go back. As you can see, the red color has been removed. That means your mobile number has now been verified. That enables the recovery options and helps the Snapchat authenticate the real users. That's all there is to it. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more Snapchat tutorials, and comment below if you have any questions. Thank you for watching.